Are you looking
With night driving becoming more demanding and safety being a top concern, the demand for high-performance LED headlight bulbs has surged. Drivers, from daily commuters to off-road enthusiasts, want brighter, longer-lasting, and more energy-efficient lighting solutions. This guide reviews 5 top-rated LED headlight bulbs, evaluating their brightness, beam pattern, build quality, cooling system, ease of installation, and overall value to help you find the perfect upgrade for your vehicle.
List number AUXITO 9005 H11 fog light bulbs, 120 watts, 6500K, cool white, fanless, pack of 4. The AUXITO 9005 H11 fog light bulbs are an excellent choice for drivers looking for a powerful yet silent lighting solution, delivering up to 50,000 lumens per set. These bulbs use advanced CSP chips to produce a crisp 6500K cool white light. What sets them apart is the fanless design, reducing potential failure points and ensuring quiet operation. Installation is straightforward thanks to the true plug-and-play design, making it easy for even novices to upgrade their headlights. The compact size fits most vehicles without additional adapters, and the IP68 rating ensures excellent durability in all weather conditions. For those who prioritize low noise, brightness, and simplicity, AUXITO's Combo Pack delivers impressive performance and value. List number FAHREN 9005 HB3 H11 H8 H9 Combo, 80,000 LM, 900% brighter, 6500K, updated 2025 model. The FAHREN 2025 updated combo kit is a game changer for nighttime visibility. With a staggering 80,000 lumens and 900% more brightness than halogen bulbs, these are among the brightest on the market. The 1-to-1 mini size mirrors factory halogens, making installation a breeze. No complicated wiring or additional parts needed. The built-in ultra-quiet cooling fan keeps things cool, extending the bulb's lifespan and preventing overheating. The focused beam pattern reduces glare for other drivers while enhancing road visibility. These bulbs are IP68 waterproof and can withstand extreme conditions. Whether you're a frequent highway driver or navigating poorly lit roads, the FAHREN combo ensures a safe, crisp, and clear driving experience. List number RCJ 9005-9006 LED bulb combo, 600% brighter, IP67 waterproof pack of 4. The RCJ 9005-9006 combo strikes a great balance between brightness and budget. Offering 600% more brightness than traditional halogen lights, these 6000K cool white bulbs dramatically improve nighttime visibility. The combo includes both high and low beam options. And the plug-and-play design ensures a tool-free quick install. While it lacks a cooling fan, the aluminum body design helps dissipate heat effectively. These bulbs are IP67 waterproof, making them suitable for all weather conditions. Ideal for drivers wanting reliable performance without spending a fortune, RCJ offers solid illumination, long lifespan, and ease of use in a convenient 4-pack. It's an excellent value pick for first-time LED users or budget-conscious drivers. List number SEALIGHT X4I Combo Pack, 88,000 LM, super bright LED bulbs with cooling fan. The Sealite H11, H9, H8, 9005, HB3 X4I combo is built for drivers who want the brightest possible road coverage. At 88,000 lumens, it tops our list in raw brightness. Sealite's focused beam pattern minimizes scatter, ensuring optimal road visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. The integrated high-speed turbofan keeps the LEDs cool, extending the lifespan significantly. Despite the power, installation remains hassle-free with the 1-to-1 size ratio to halogen bulbs. These bulbs are a favorite among off-roaders and nighttime truck drivers for their durability and intense output. Whether you're driving through fog, rain, or pitch-black highways, Sealite ensures you see every obstacle well in advance. List 5. Renault 9005 H11 Fanless LED Combo, Compact Silent Plug-and-Play, Pack of 4. If you're looking for a completely silent and compact LED solution,
The Renault 9005 H11 bulb combo is a top contender. Designed without a fan, these bulbs operate quietly while still delivering strong, cool white light, ideal for foggy or low visibility conditions. The bulbs fit snugly into most standard housings without the need for external drivers or extra adapters. Installation takes minutes with its truly plug-and-play design. Despite lacking an active cooling system, the aluminum housing efficiently handles heat dissipation. Renault focuses on longevity, simplicity, and reliability, making this a great option for everyday drivers looking for an effortless and affordable LED upgrade.